Hi everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can use the KW template to create a mortgage calculator page on your KW agent site. So the first thing we want to do today is we want to sign into command, which is agent.kw.com with our KW login credentials. Once we are signed in, we are going to navigate to the website's applet on the left-hand side. We'll give it just a second to load here. Once we do that, we're going to click this Manage Website button. And there are two different ways we can add this page to our website. So the first thing we can do is we can, right here on this quick entry right here, we can scroll down under all these pages we have here. And we can click Create Page. And then it's going to show us the 4 templates we have available. So today we're going to select Mortgage Calculator. So we'll just click Select Template. And we can go ahead and we can create the page right here. And it'll have us title our page right here. So we can change this however we would like. And if you wanted to add more to it or leave it exactly as is, totally fine. And then you'll see a preview of what it looks like on the right-hand side. You can publish this page exactly as it is without making any changes, and it would work just fine. If you did want to customize it a little bit more, we can't make any customizations here in this builder right here, but we do have a way we can do that. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to click this X. We are going to publish. We would have just clicked publish up in that top corner if we wanted to, but we're going to go here, we're going to click Manage Website once again. And this time we're going to go to Expert Mode. So we're going to click Expert Mode right here. And we are going to, under this quick start menu, we will see all of the options. So we're going to see this mortgage calculator page right here. We're going to click on that. And it's going to pull up the exact same template we were looking at. So again, you can publish this exactly as it is. Just click this publish button. You don't have to make any changes. But if you did want to customize it a little bit more, you could do that right here. So you have your page title. Again, you can customize that. You have your internal name. You can change those if you want. If you want to update the subtitle, you can do that here. So we can say, with my free tool, we can leave it like that. Then we'll see that update, and then you can go down. You'll see that it has a page header right here. If you wanted to change the image behind the mortgage calculator, you can do that. You can add image, you can upload files, you can delete that, or you can add multiple so that it goes through all of them. You also have the option to hide the title if you don't want that there. We'll probably unhide it in just a second. I just want to show you. So you'll see it hides the title here. And so we can remove that. We can change our page heading to none if we wanted to remove that altogether. Again, we'll give it a second to load here. And so you'll see it was just this blank slate. We're going to go back to the page heading how we had it. And that way it looks a little more finished, a little more polished here. So we'll let that load. You'll see this spinning. That means it's loading. Then we'll go on down and you have your page contents through here. So you have this first one is the HTML embed, which is the mortgage calculator with no heading. You can't really make any changes to this mortgage calculator part. You could remove the module, but that is going to be an important part of your mortgage calculator. So you don't really want to remove that mortgage calculator. You want to leave that exactly as it is. If you scroll down a little bit though to this rich text module, you can go in and you can add a title here. You can change this text right here. So you can go in, adjust this, make it more personal, make it, something that you like the text on better. Again, you can leave it exactly as is. You can also have featured listings, featured properties down below if you want that. You can remove that module altogether if you don't want the featured listings to show. Again, it takes a second to load. And this one does have the contact form down below. So you can remove that or you can leave it as it is, no problem. You can hide the page from the navigation if you want it to be more like a landing page, or you can leave it there. It's going to automatically put it under our More tab and we'll see it appear down below once we publish the page. We would see it in this drop down menu here. So we're going to go ahead. You would just click publish on the page. We do already have this page created, so it's not going to let me publish it with the same name. So I'm not going to actually hit publish on this right now, but you would just click publish. It would upload for you. It would update in this navigation menu. Give it about 24 hours. Just make sure it updates properly across your website, and then you should be able to see it there. If you have any questions or you run into any snags with any of this, please feel free to reach out to our support team. The email is support@scottleroymarketing.com. We are always happy to help out. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.